Hey, how's it going, everyone? I want to go over breaking news that the cannabis sector just got. New York is going to be working on a bill over the weekend as a possible legalization in New York. Again, this is huge, not only for New York, but every other state, because we all know what happens with New York. Every other state likes to follow them. We've learned this during COVID. We've learned this every year before COVID, but COVID definitely showed us the very truth about that, as we did see them shut down with masks. And then next thing you know, every other state shuts down with masks. They open up AMC. Next thing you know, every other state is trying to open up AMC. So we do see the cannabis sector possibly legalizing in New York. And this is huge news for us long players. And I am going to show you exactly how I'm going to play into TLRY, OGI, and SNDL, the most three popular stocks, in my opinion, for the cannabis sector. So I'm going to go over this with you guys and how I plan on playing into it. So again, quick disclaimer, anything we do mention is purely for entertainment purposes. If you guys would like financial advice, recommending contact a financial professional. However, we have been going play by play, day by day throughout the whole year. So if you guys want to see more entries and breakouts, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell notification, and you will be notified at a time you matter. And again, much love to everybody that does subscribe. We do go all out Monday through Friday on entries and breakouts. So again, be on the lookout for more of those. Now I am going to go over this as I do see a possible breakout going into the next week or so. So TLRY, I'm going to go over first, as TLRY, in my opinion, is the safest and strongest cannabis stock, in my opinion. So again, we do see that it came down to our previous breakout point. It did look like it bounced off of it, and we were curious if it was going to consolidate or if it's going to continue to sell off. Now, we have been getting news recently, and I do believe that the investors will get very confident, and this could be a nice swing trade if you want to. But however, I like this as a nice long play. Again, this has been popping off today, and I know a lot of people are curious if it's something they should be buying today or if it's something they should be waiting for next week as a sell-off, as something that they should be buying more into. But however, if cannabis, for some reason, something works out in New York where they pass it over the weekend, we could possibly never see these prices again. So what I'm doing personally, I'm going to be buying into the cannabis sector now with not so much cash, but I am going to be waiting for next week. If it does sell off, I will be buying more. Again, I'm very long on cannabis. I've been saying that since SNDO at 48 cents. So again, TLRY, I think it is an amazing play, long play, and I do like this as a cannabis play. OGI is the next play I do want to talk about. This one has been moving the most with the news. As you saw, Virginia came out and they got the most profitable trade out of it. They went up about 40%. And again, I do like this as a very high risk but high reward play that could possibly break out to $15 if they do continue to get news on this cannabis sector. Again, I do like OGI overall, but this one has gapped up, and I definitely would be more careful on this one, as this one could possibly gap down if they get no news on New York. So again, definitely OGI is the most risk of them all, but however, they do move the most with the cannabis sector. So OGI is definitely on the watch as well. And SNDL, again, we do like this one. We've been talking about this one since 48 cents. We have a huge wedge that we broke out of, and we did break out. We broke up all the way to around $4, and we did sell, I think, about at 320, I think it was around here. And we did sell off, and it did come down all the way down to our previous breakout point. And we have been consolidating since then. Now, SNDL is definitely a penny stock, and you want to be careful because this one, for whatever reason, could go down to 40 cents again. And we want to make sure that doesn't happen. So again, SNDL, I do like overall. I do like this as a long play, like I said, because it's a cannabis sector. But however, SNDL is the least favorite of the three, only because it has been following this news the least. And it seems like there's a lot more sell pressure than we probably think in SNDL, only because it's a penny stock and it's sitting over $1.40 for such a long time. So again, SNDL overall, I do like it as a long play, and I will be holding into my shares at 48 cents, and I will be buying more if it does break over our resistance here at 154. Again, we would probably see New York news, and it would break over 154 at that point. But again, these are the top three cannabis sector stocks, and I do like the news that has been coming out today. That is the most important thing that I want you guys to take away from this video, because again, I think cannabis is one of the best long plays. I know there's the EV sector. I know there's the energy sector. I know there's many other sectors, but the cannabis sector is one of those plays that, since the Democrats have the presidency, the Senate, and the House, you pretty much can not guarantee that it's going to be legalized everywhere, but it seems like one of the safest long plays overall, in my opinion. So again, I hope you guys have been enjoying our entries and breakouts. We have been calling 34% gainers every day. And if you guys haven't seen the video I posted 2 videos ago, check out that one. That's a nice entry play. I am buying into that one. I think that's a nice play on the energy sector, as it has been consolidating nicely as well. But again, much love to everybody that has been in the comment section. I appreciate all you guys. Much love to you guys. Love you all. And if you guys do have a watch list, throw it in the comment section. Anything on your mind, throw it in the comment section. I appreciate you all. God bless you. And I will see you guys in the next video.